Welcome to our channel. There are numerous practical ways to make money online, and the best methods may vary depending on your skills, interests, and resources. Stay tuned as we dive into the details of each method, providing you with valuable insights to help you start earning online. Before we started, please subscribe our channel, so that you don't miss any of our coming videos. Here are 5 popular and practical ways to make money online. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skills or services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Popular freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr provide a marketplace where freelancers can create profiles, showcase their expertise, and bid on relevant projects. Clients post projects, and freelancers submit proposals with their pricing and timelines. Once awarded a project, you complete the work and receive payment. Freelancing offers a wide range of opportunities, including writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, virtual assistants, and more. It allows you to work with clients from around the world, set your own rates, and choose projects that align with your skills and interests. Number 2 is online tutoring. Online tutoring involves providing educational assistance to students remotely. Platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Chegg Tutors connect tutors with students seeking help in various subjects. You can specialize in academic subjects, languages, test preparation, or specialized skills. Typically, you create a profile highlighting your qualifications and availability. Students can then browse tutor profiles and choose the one that fits their needs. Tutoring sessions can be conducted through video calls or virtual classrooms. Online tutoring offers flexibility in terms of setting your own schedule, working with students from different locations, and leveraging your expertise to help others succeed academically. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission for promoting and generating sales or leads for other companies' products or services. To get started, you can join affiliate programs offered by companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or Commission Junction. Once you join, you receive a unique affiliate link or code that you can share with your audience through your website, blog, social media channels, or email marketing campaigns. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase or completes a specific action, such as filling out a form, you earn a commission. Successful affiliate marketers focus on building an audience, creating valuable content, and strategically promoting products that align with their audience's interests. 4 is content creation. Content creation involves producing valuable and engaging content for an online audience. There are various mediums for content creation, including YouTube, blogging, podcasting, and social media. YouTube creators can monetize their videos through ad revenue, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. Bloggers can monetize their blogs through various methods like affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, display advertising, or selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. Podcasters can attract sponsors who pay to have their products or services promoted during episodes or generate income through crowdfunding platforms like Patreon, where listeners can support their favorite podcasters by making monthly contributions. Content creation requires consistently producing high-quality content, building an audience, and exploring different monetization strategies. 5. Online store or e-commerce. Creating an online store or selling products online involves setting up a digital storefront to sell physical or digital products. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce provide tools to build and customize your online store easily. You can source or create products to sell, set prices, and manage inventory. Marketing and promoting your products are essential for attracting customers. This can be done through social media, email marketing, content marketing, and advertising. Providing exceptional customer service, handling shipping and logistics, and optimizing your store for conversions are key to success in e-commerce. Depending on your niche, you can sell handmade crafts, artwork, clothing, digital products like ebooks or software, or even dropship products from suppliers without the need for inventory. Remember, each of these methods requires effort, dedication, and a learning curve. It's crucial to research, understand the platforms and market trends, and continuously refine your strategies to maximize your earnings. And there you have it. We've covered the 5 best practical ways to make money online. Whether you're looking for freelance opportunities, tutoring platforms, affiliate marketing strategies, content creation tips, or online store ideas, these options offer endless possibilities to earn income from the comfort of your own home. Remember, success in the online world requires determination, consistency, and a willingness to adapt. So, go ahead and explore these avenues, find what resonates with you, and start your journey towards financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep striving for your online success.